Hello friends, welcome to Satish Photography YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about how to make our own name or channel name subscribe button in green screen to add in our future videos. I have gave the green screen subscribe video link in description. You have to download that, and after that you have to download two mobile apps. One is Kinemaster and another one is Pixel Lab. Okay, all the things are I gave in a description. You can download from there. Now I will explain step by step to do the process. Just follow the video. First you have to click that link which I gave to download animated subscribe button in green screen. It will open like this. Just download it. It will download in your mobile. Now open your download folder in your mobile. That animated screen button video will be there. Just open in any player like this and just take one screenshot for the reference. Okay. Now open the Pixel Lab. In Pixel Lab bottom the square shape is there, no? Just click it. In that it will ask about image size. Just give that, and in preset you have to select YouTube thumbnail. Select that and give OK. After that go to plus symbol. Just from gallery the screenshot you take, that one will come. Just select in full view and give. This is just for the reference. Select the plus symbol. Again from gallery select your logo. Select the logo, and if it's PNG form that will be better. Just resize it. Align according to that subscribe button. This is somewhat better. Then again give plus symbol, select text. In this you have to choose your channel name or your name, whatever it is. I am going to give my channel name. Okay. In this you can choose the alignment, everything in this. First I'm going to select the font. I feel this one is better. While you selecting itself, here the preview will be coming in left side, so you can select whatever you want. I feel this one is good, so I'm giving OK. Alignment. And I want to change the font color also. It's in white. I feel black is better in this, so I'm selecting black. Even it's having gradient also, but I'm selecting color and choosing black for it. Okay. I aligned it like this to keep here, so it will look better. Okay, this thing is enough. Now again go to the square section, press transparent. In transparent it will move, otherwise no problem. You just select the screenshot layer and click the delete. It will delete that selected object. So now your logo and your name only will be visible there. Just save this as a PNG, make it as PNG format default, and quality just select and give ultra. Just save to gallery. The Pixel Lab testing thing is over now. Just we have to open Kinemaster now. Just open the Kinemaster. In this you have to choose the ratio. 16:9 is better for this. First you have to bring that downloaded, just go where it downloaded, just select that image, just give accept, play once. The animation is coming like this. That's it. Go to the first frame, again select layer. In that you have to select media. In media the output is in Pixel Lab, so just select it. It came like this. Just drag this thing, it have to come in this place. So you have to select this and keep here. You can resize it by dragging this thing. Feel this one is better. Just give OK. In beginning you have to choose the test image, that PNG image, and select this in animation and give slide up, so it will come like this. The animation will come like this. Select OK. Go to the last frame, same animation, out animation, slide down, so it will go like this. Select OK, play once. You just check whether in animation speed is okay or not. I have defaultly kept as 1. Just select 0.5. Same out animation, select 0.5. Just play once. It's mismatching. Point 0.5 is not matching, so I am selecting 1 itself, the previous thing. Again out animation 1. Now playing it. This is somewhat better. Now just give export and select the resolution and export it. Now it's exported. The output will be like this. I'm going to show how you have to add this small animation in your videos. I open my Kinemaster again, media, selecting one random video, just selecting the output of my drone, in layer, media, selecting the output from Kinemaster, just dragging and keeping correctly, clicking OK. I'm just playing it. Okay, this thing is okay. Just I'm dragging here. You have to select that layer and go to chroma key and just click enable. That green thing is keyed out now. Only the subscribe button and my name will be there. Just see, it's very simple guys. You to try it and put your feedback in comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, press bell button to get more notification from my updates. Thank you.